Welcome friends, in this video we learn how to remove this cavity materials in NX software. Now make this program manufacturing program in NX. Now first of all I have this model and now we are generating the program of this cavities in Z level profile. Now first of all we hide this modeling MCS. Select this one and press Ctrl V. Now press the W. Now and we are in modeling modes. Now enter in manufacturing modes. Press the Ctrl Alt M. Now here machining environment. Now select here mill contour and press OK. Now you can see here the machining MCS is placed here. Now randomly you can make the model. The MCS is at different position. Now first of all we make this at center of the model. Now select here geometry views. Now MCS mill is, click on this. Now select here, select M4 and now select the top face of the model. Select. Now MCS automatically place of this selected face or model center. Now press OK. Now select the workpiece and now specify check for this machining. Now MCS is ready. Now select here for the operation, select insert operation and now from selective child level profile. OK. Now here you can see the inner slot is given. Now first of all we delete this slot tangent face, select this face and now delete. Now edit, open this operation, select the face. OK. Now specify the tool, 25 mm feed mill. Now foot line, length of the tool 75 mm and foot line 50 mm for the feed mill. Now press OK. Now cut in per pass 0.8 mm material, range depth 106, total depth of the model. Now cutting parameter, select this one, click here cutting, continue below the tool contact, select depth first and method of cut direction climb cut. Now provide the stop 0.2 mm, corner all pass, step over limit of the corner is 150 mm. Now current to slow down of speed 50 mm, 50%. Now connection, the cutter cutting a ramp to material. Now ramp on part 0.8. This one is must be same as the cutting per pass 0.8 mm. Now non-cutting moves, cutter enter, start the entering to cut the material, select a ramp on shape. Because this material is all solid, so this cap is not given in solid material. Now provide the 0.3 ramp angle and 0.5 mm height. Cutter enter from 0.3 angle and 0.5 mm height from this top face. Now give the RPM and field 200 RPM and field 4000, 2000 RPM and 4000. Now generate the programs. Now you can see here the creating cut level. Now our pass is generated. Now you can see here our cutter is and start to cutting in ramp 0.3 ramp angle and 0.5 mm from this surface height. This yellow line is non-cutting moves, and now start from here material cut. Now this one is our material cutter ramp on shape 0.8 mm ramp angle 0.8, and now for 3D animation select here 3D dynamic, reduce the speed. Okay, now here one error, blank required for verification. Okay, now this is our solid material, and now cutter is cut this material. See, now this is the solid material which is removed after the cavity machining. Now stop this. Okay, now same for the second. Okay, copy and paste here. Now delete this face and select this one. Now same, generate the program. Now this both process for the roughing purpose. Okay, now for the finishing, copy and paste, edit. Now finish this area, select the tool. Okay, 20 mm end mill used for the finishing. Now float length 120, total length 150, and now float length 120. Okay, now directly plunge. Because this material is removed to solid body, remove after this child level profiling machining. Now this area will be open, so select the open area R. Okay, now here unselect this one, remove stock, corner, none. Okay, sorry for the finishing, slow down the speed, so not required, slow down speed. Also direct on part. Now here for the 200 and 2000 and this one 200.